ਤੇ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਕਾਹਦਾ।
Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. I hope my voice is audible to everyone. Yes? Hi, again, good morning to everyone. And we welcome everyone to this webinar on digital marketing for the education sector. And this is a webinar by upEducators, a Google for Education partner company. So before I, in this webinar, definitely we'll be covering about the many various aspects of digital marketing, especially for the education business. And again, I will take you through a live case as well on how to generate free quality leads with your online presence, right? So that will be a good takeaway for every one of you if you are already into it. So this is the way we'll begin our webinar. And before I move further, just I'll conduct a poll, a short poll with everyone. So to understand so what best defines you? So there is a question over there. Are you coaching on private tutors, or are you an educators, freelance trainers? Please, based on this one, your profile, please select the option so that I understand about the audience, so that I can take the example which are more relevant to you. So I can see participants are coming from school admin, private training institute, and the educators, right? So anyone else? And the private tutors. Okay, so I understood. Okay, so largely we have a mixed profile: coaching corners, private tutors, school admin, private training institute, freelancers, and educators as well. Only nobody is there from planning to start an educational venture, right? So it means that all of you have already started the venture, and that is why now you want to understand digital marketing, right? And the second poll that I have for you, so which will help me in understanding your this one understanding of digital marketing, right? So if you are a beginners in digital marketing, please select that option. Otherwise, if you're already doing digital marketing agency with the help of an agency, the second option, and already running the campaign on your own, then the third option. So here I can see largely this data is skewed towards beginners in digital marketing. Anyway, largely teachers are very modest, right? So educators are modest. So even they know everything about it, they will write, "I'm the beginner," right? So, but so here, and some of the participants are already doing with an agency, and somebody is already running the campaigns, already running the digital marketing campaign. So this is the profile that we have got for everyone. So thank you everyone for responding to it. So right, so now we have this one. Largely participants are beginners, and some of the participants are there in the category B and C. And this is about me before I start the webinar. So for me, it's been more than 10 years of experience in education sector as well as digital marketing, right? So for me, digital marketing was definitely not from some course I learned it, right? It was completely hands-on, because those time, like this is not, I think it's nearly about 13-14 years since I've been using digital marketing, right? So it was completely hands-on, means there was no training institute over there, right? So one has to figure it out, okay, what other people are doing and what I can do. So this is the way I learned and digital marketing. And I'm a Google certified trainer, and again in Google certified in Google Ads Analytics, and I'm also a Microsoft certified data scientist. And in terms of my experience, my entire experience, as I told you before, is completely in education sector only. And I can take you through some of the slides. So for example, I co-authored 5 books with Tata McGraw publication, and which are there on tax planning, retirement planning, investment planning. I conducted many workshops on financial planning, but this is 5-6 years back. I was heading an institute by the name of IMS Pro School, and basically we were into professional training courses where we were providing training on machine learning, data science, investment banking, CFA, right? So we trained nearly about 20,000 professionals during those times, and we had multiple branches in country. And to understand more about the education system, I even went to Finland, because they have one of the best education system in the world. So I joined Helsinki University over there, and I learned along with other educators who are from different part of the world on the education system, the best practices of the education system. And that was a very enriching experience for me. And now since last 2 years, with the help with these upEducators, we have been educating, training educators on how to use technology in education, and how you can use technology to promote your business, like digital marketing to promote your business. So I think I have trained nearly about 2,000 educators on digital tools, and nearly about 500 coaching owners, principals, school admin directly on digital marketing, right? So how you can use digital marketing for the growth of your business. right? And I understand largely the challenges that you are facing and how you want to overcome those challenges and different kind of solutions are I'm aware of it, and I've been giving that idea to other participants as well, those who are joining the training program. And I'll put everyone on the mute mode. So here we begin our training program now, sorry, webinar. And I'm starting with this one. I think I just got one message, you are not audible. I'm sure I'm audible to everyone. And my
Yes, sir. Yes.
yes, right. So largely, if you see education sector, like previously when I was there in that of education institute, where we were opening the branches for expansion of our business, largely physical assets were very important and they were equivalent to success. If you have got a great campus in a school, then definitely that was the point of success. If you are excellent, if you had got excellent coaching center, right, with good infrastructure, that was the very critical factor of development of your center, right? But largely this thing have been changing in last 5 years, and especially during the pandemic, this had got completely changed. So now physical asset may not be the success point. So may I know what is the success point then? If not physical asset, anyone, any guess? Okay, so this is digital assets, right? So now instead of physical asset has been taken over by digital assets. What are the digital assets? It can be your website, it can be your online presence, it can be your YouTube channel, it can be your Instagram account, it can be your Facebook page, it can be anything which is digitally, or it can be your Google business page. And largely it is also your own digital skill sets. So those are the assets for you. And I'll give you some of the example. I'm sure most of you are aware of teachers who became entrepreneurs, starting from Baiju Ravindram. Now the company with the maximum, the highest net worth, they started with a kind of a YouTube channel and mobile app. Gaurav Munjal, they started with a YouTube channel. Now they have millions of subscribers. And Khan Academy, they started with the help of a website and a YouTube channel, and now they have millions of subscribers, not only in India but across the globe, right? So this is the way teachers nurtured the digital assets. It can be a website, it can be a YouTube channel, it can be a Facebook account, right? So good teacher plus digital asset equal to success. Good teacher, I'm not expecting you, all of you who are there in this webinar are the teacher, but good teacher means um, your own delivery, quality of your delivery, whether you are offering a books, then quality of your books. If you're offering cooking classes, quality of your cooking classes. So whatever thing that you're doing, your quality plus digital asset is a part of your success. Now, some of the participants are completely new to digital marketing. So let me cover a couple of slides for them if they are completely unaware of. So digital marketing, to understand digital marketing, just understand what is traditional marketing. So traditional marketing, all your newspaper, hoardings, televisions are the part of traditional marketing, including flyer distribution and everything. And digital marketing means anything which is getting connected with internet is the part of digital marketing, right? Whether it is your website, your Facebook account, Instagram, or your email that you're doing, any newspaper that you're reading online, and anything you're searching online are the part of digital marketing. Now, why educators are and education institutes are moving towards digital marketing? Anyone over here want to add any point over here? Okay. So yeah, I know, like generally most of the educators, they want to save their energy on Sunday, right? Because throughout the weekdays we have been taking classes from morning to evening. So Sunday is the only day that where we just keep it out to ourselves. We don't talk much so that we save our energy. But in case you are saving your energy, at least you can reply in the chat otherwise. So largely the first thing is students are spending nearly about 4 to 7 hours on digital tools. So if you want to reach out to them, this is the only way. You can launch your new courses quickly, right? Though you are already into it, but if you want to launch any of the new courses, and if you know digital marketing, it's going to be very easy. Why? So largely those who are aware of digital marketing, they don't start building the course first, right? Largely what we do, we build the course first, 3 months, 4 months, we take the time, then we start doing the marketing. If you know digital marketing, you will do the other way around. First of all, you do a beta campaign. You do a beta digital marketing means a test campaign. and you understand whether you are getting the student for your product or for your courses or not, and what kind of features they are looking for. Then based on their requirement, then you build up the course. So generally what happened, we build up the course, we give 3 months, then we understand, okay, nobody is looking for the course which I have developed. So we do it other way around. We launch the course first, we launch the marketing first, understand the requirement of the audience, whether they are going to whether they're keen in enrolling my course or not. Based on the feedback, then we develop the course, then again we do the marketing part. Parents are taking their decision based on the basis of online presence and the reviews. Digital marketing can be done at the 1/10 of the traditional marketing. You can reach out to global audience, anyone outside your physical territory, completely measurable. Even if you're spending 100 rupees, you understand whether you have got any admission just because of those 100 rupees. Very much interactive. And now we are moving towards 5G and Web3. So again, usage of digital devices will increase further. So the importance of digital marketing. That is why most of the education institute, whether they are a small education institute or a big one, everyone is moving towards digital marketing. Now let's start with the challenges that they are facing. What are the challenges that as an education institute we are facing in terms of digital marketing? The first thing that we understand, I do not know anything about digital marketing. It is a huge field, right? It's a very big field. So I have no idea. Second, not able to get the work done from my agency, from my digital marketing agency. I outsource some of the activities, but I'm not getting the result. Third, I'm running some campaign, but not getting the desired result. I'm already invested some 10,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees, but I'm not getting the desired result. We enrolled for the digital marketing course, but did not learn anything or could not able to relate the concept with my education business. And even sometimes we assume that digital marketing is very costly. That is why we never thought of doing it. In this training session, I will tell you how you can use free methods. I will give you the live demonstration also on how you can get leads, quality leads free of charge as well. So these are the challenges, and the starting first is learning digital marketing a difficult task. Anyone? Definitely all of our coming from education backgrounds, definitely nothing is challenge for us. But inside us, we know yeah, may be difficult for us. Why digital marketing sometimes looks difficult to learn. So this is the answer for this. Actually, what happened whenever we talk about digital marketing with anyone, right? Any agency or anyone who knows about digital marketing, they always talk about, yeah, this is website is there, Instagram ads, Facebook ads, YouTube, Twitter, Snapchat, search engine optimization, this and that's. What happened? We get overwhelmed by the number of tools and strategies which are there, right? But we say, you are no, this is not my cup of tea. So many things are there. I can't learn all these things, and I can't leave my business and learn all of these things, right? Because we have other responsibilities as well, right, everyone? So this is the reason sometimes we don't take initiative only to learn it. The second, so here is an example. What happened in our life? For example, assume for the timing, you have 5 cars, right? And you don't know driving. Now you have to learn driving. So do we get overwhelmed? Okay, 5 cars are there, so I have to learn all the 5 cars. No, we don't get overwhelmed. We know I have to learn only 1 car. Once I learn 1 car, I can easily drive other 4 cars as well. Right, everyone? Similarly, in digital marketing, you don't have to get overwhelmed by the number of tools which are there. Even if you understand 1 or 2 tools or apps in and out completely, Facebook or Google Ads, anything in and out, you will easily able to operate other digital marketing tools as well, like a car. Because in car, if I'm understanding the navigating part, if I'm understanding how to move gear, clutch system, it becomes very easy to operate any other car. The second thing that we have to understand, 80-20 principle of Pareto principle. Anyone, have you heard of this principle before?
No.
A very important principle for the success in one's life, right? Which is called Pareto principle. What does Pareto principle says? 20% of our efforts in life are giving us the 80% of the result. And remaining 80% of the thing that we are doing in our life may be giving only 20% of the result, right? And this is, for example, 80% of your students may be coming from 20% of the area of your city. And remaining 20% of the students may be coming from 80% of the area of your city, right? Or 20% of your customers are paying you 80% of the income sales, or 20% of your employee is getting 80% of the income. So this is equivalent everywhere. This is applicable to everyone, everywhere. Even 80% of the complaints have been raised by 20% of the students, right, everyone? This is very important. We have to understand which 20% I should invest, which 20% I should devote, should learn, so that I get so that I get 80% result, right, everyone? So this is a principle have been used and by many people for the success of you as a business owner, as a teacher. You have to understand which 20% are important for you to give the 80% of the result. So in our program, definitely in our, since this program is completely for the educators, so or for the coaching owners or the school admins, so we'll be discussing only those things which are very important for you. And after this, some of the participants are facing because of some agency, right? I have outsourced the work to an agency, I am not getting the work done. I have outsourced the work to one of my relative is not doing the work. Because what is happening for the success of digital marketing campaign, three things are very important. These three things are domain knowledge, digital marketing knowledge, and the continuity. Why continuity? Continuity means if you do one campaign and if you're hiring some agency, they are doing campaign on your behalf. Every time you're getting either success or failure, but somebody has to learn from those success and failure as well. Which campaigns are working for you, which tools are working for you, and which tools are not working for you. So that next time onwards, you keep those things in mind. But if you keep on changing the agency every time here and there, nobody's going to there. Nobody's learning from the failures and success. And the second most important thing that you have to keep in mind, one thing is very important for the success of any business is the quality of delivery, and second is the promotion of your services. So quality of delivery is definitely up to you, and promotion of services, which is 50% of your business, right? You can't outsource to some unknown people. Until unless if you don't have the understanding, don't outsource it. That is why understanding digital marketing is very important, even to outsource. And once you understand digital marketing, you have the domain knowledge. Domain knowledge means your own knowledge of your classes, what kind of student you should target, what they are going to like in the course, right? Everything that is called domain knowledge. Second is digital marketing knowledge, and third is continuity. So, and third, sometimes participants are telling not getting the desired result from our current marketing campaign. Really, what happened? Many of the participants, out of their enthusiasm, they have learned it from here and there, right? And they started using some campaign here and there, and they get the result initially, but over a period of time, that the results are not coming. So what is happening in digital marketing again is this is a science. So you have to learn digital marketing in this fashion only to get results all the time. One is right strategy for your business goal, research and competitive analysis, targeting of your audience, communication and design, and analysis of performance. These are the fundamental block of digital marketing. Until and unless you have not understood these blocks, may be very difficult to run the campaigns all the time successfully. For example, in digital marketing, if you are offering classes throughout the year, then there is a different strategy for you. And if you're in a school where the admission cycle is only once in a year, that is in the month of July, then you have a different strategy, right? Similarly, if you are a very star faculty, then you have a different strategy. And if you are starting something new, then you have a different strategy. For everything, you have to go to a new strategy for the success of your business goal, right? So very important to understand which is the right strategy for you. Research and competitor analysis is very important to identify what your competitors are doing, what is there in the market, which you can learn from them. I'll be giving the example, practical example in some just in next 5 minutes. So targeting is very important because in digital marketing, pinpointed targetings are available. In case, for example, you are running a pre-primary school, if you want to target parents of the age of 3 to 5 who are living in your vicinity, your area, you can target them, right? So targeting is very pinpointed. So you should understand which all different targeting options are available and in which platform you will be getting that targeting option, whether you will be getting in Facebook, Instagram, or you'll be getting in Google Ads. Communication is very important. I will give the example of communication in these sessions only. Why communication playing is very important role in designing the effective campaign and the analysis of performance. So, and again, sometime I already spoken about this one. Some participants are telling you we enrolled for the course but did not learn it, because what is happening in many of the generic courses, participants are coming from all walk of life. Somebody is there from bank, somebody is there from insurance, somebody want to sell the shoes over there. All kind of participants are joining. So different things teachers are discussing sometimes may not be relevant for you. So that is why we don't relate it with our business and we leave the program in between. And sometimes participants are joining some 100 and 200 rupees courses as well, that only recordings. So video recording will only help when you're expert in digital marketing, then only video recording will help. But if you're a beginner or if you are using it occasionally, video recording will not help you. So for this, upEducators, we have designed a course for the coaching owners, school admin freelancer to get the desired result with the minimum cost. And this is a 5 weeks unique interactive training program. I will be taking you to the every part component live session just in a couple of minutes. So here you'll be discussing about the digital tools and strategies which are very successful in education sector. Hands-on training session with 80% practical, 20% theory. 25 to 35 participants are going to be there from coaching center, colleges. So that entire discussion is very effective in around education system only. And again, trainer is going to be from the industry with the Google certified trainer. So before I'll take you through some of the component of our training program. We are starting from the online presence, and I will give you a live demo of this one. Even you will able to use even after the webinar, right? Which is called online presence. Online presence is very important, and you'll be getting lots of result because of your online presence. So for example, let me go to some tool over here. If I'm writing cooking classes near me, for example. Now, how many of you will be clicking on the result which are coming on the top over here? First, 1, 2, 3. Anyone? Where you'll be clicking? Will you be clicking onto this 3 or not? Largely, 60% of the visitors will click on this first 3 options, right? Then they will come down, possibly they may click a website. These results are coming directly, they are not coming from the website. These results are directly coming from where? Anyone? Any idea from where these results are coming? Google business page, right? And the best part, Google business page, you can create, it does not take much time, no investment, and even your result may start coming on the top over here within a month time, right everyone? And largely, as I told you, 50 to 60% of the people, those who are searching over here, they are clicking onto it. It means there is a direct business for you. Either they will come over here, they will read more about you, or if they are searching this thing from their mobile, even they can directly give a call to you. Anyone, have you used this thing before?
Yes, sir.
No. Right. So even those who have used it, I'll be giving you some good tips to have this kind of pages. And those who have not used it, again, I'll be giving, but I'll be going just a bit fast because I don't have that much time. But in the training session, we cover it in very much detail, but you'll get a gist of it. So for example, as I told you, these results are very important for all of us, right? What do you search for? For example, if I search for science classes in, even if I write any city name, Ludhiana, even you're getting these pages. So for most of the queries, you will be getting this result, right everyone? Because these queries are related to your location, specific queries are there. So now how to get this page on the top and how to create this page, though these are the 2 different elements. So let me click onto it. So it's not very difficult to create this kind of pages. So you have to go to your Gmail account. You don't go it along with me as of now. So just try to understand. So I'm going to my Gmail. 9 dots. In the 9 dots, you will get something called business profile over here. If you click onto this, here different pages which I have created during my training program, right? Different pages are there which I created during our training program. So now what exactly we want to do, I want to create another page with you, right? Anyone, for example, let's suppose we want to start my English classes, right? And I want to create a page over here for my English classes, right? Add single business. Now this is very important. What exactly you will be writing, what Google is asking you to write, type your business name. For example, so what you will be typing, for example, if your business name is, for example, extreme classes, what, right? And you're offering English, spoken English classes or English Academy you are running. So what exactly you will be writing over here? Type your business name. Anyone? I need an answer because anyway, we are 26 participants over here, right? So We can interact with each other. Don't save your energy too much today, right? At least one word will be very helpful for us. Anyone? What will be typing? Your business name, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Anything else? Right? So here we make a big mistake, right? So now, okay, I'm putting everyone on the mute mode. Now you are telling me why big mistake when Google is itself is asking you to type your business name. If my business name is extreme classes, right? If I'm writing this, then what is the mistake? Because Google is itself is asking me to write my business name. What happens? So I get many people, those who even have created Google business page. Somebody is telling me, sir, I have created a business name by the name of the Bloom, and I'm there in Jaipur, right? I have created it, and my name is coming like this, right? But what we have to understand, people are not searching by typing your name. People are searching what exactly they are looking for. So what exactly they are looking for? They are looking for English classes, right? They are looking for English classes. And what exactly we have done? We have written our business name. So if I write English classes in Jaipur, can you see over here? Google is showing me the result where I have written English class as well along with the name. Can you see everyone? Erudite English literature, English class. Here again, they have written English class, but for that, I need to click onto it. Right? Swan Institute, Erudite English literature, English classes, right? So everywhere where Google is giving the priority, where you have written the meaningful keyword along with your brand name. Understood, everyone? Is it making sense?
Yes.
Right? So what exactly it means? If you're offering mathematics classes and if your class name is Gyan Shala, so what should be your title? Gyan Shala, right? Or for example, if you're offering English classes, English Academy, so it can be Gyan Shala English Academy, right? Or Gyan Shala English classes. So now that is the first thing that we understood. We should also write the query that people are looking for. Now, second important thing that what we have to understand. Then now one of the participants, what she did, okay, sir, she understood everything. Okay, sir, now I have written Gyan Shala English Academy in Nagpur, but I'm not getting response, right? What we have to understand, or I have written English classes. So what exactly we have to write, whether people are searching you by the name of English Institute, by English classes, English Academy, or English spoken English classes, what they are searching for? What they're searching for maximum, you have to write that keyword. Now, how I will understand what they're searching for maximum? How I will understand it? Our people are searching for English Academy, English Institute, English classes, English coaching classes, English tuition, or English spoken English classes. We have no idea, right? So what there is a tool available. Again, I may not be able to as of now. It takes 10 minutes time to get into this tool. So I'm not taking you to how to get into this one, but I'm directly telling you this is a tool again available for free of charge. You don't have to pay anything. So here I'm clicking on, this is a tool again directly available by Google only. Tools and settings. Now, which all different option you can search when you're looking for the Google, when you're searching for the English classes. I'm writing keyword planner over here. Get search volume, and here I will write those names. English classes, English Academy. Are you getting my point? Why I'm writing English classes, English Academy? Because everyone can search by different keyword, right? For example, you may search for, in case you are looking for the tuition classes for your son, you may type in Google English classes. Somebody may type English Academy. Somebody may type English coaching classes, right? So anything else which is coming to your mind? What should I write over here? Grammar classes. Do you search by grammar classes? Anything else? Spoken English Institute. Spoken English Institute, right? So many other keyword I can add, but due to the shortage of time, let me search it. Can you see? अगर उन्होंने क्या करा था, she created this one, Gyanshala English Academy. But people are not searching by English Academy. People are searching largely spoken English classes. 27,000 searches, monthly searches are there. Are you getting my point? Spoken English Institute just recently one of the participants suggested, right? Mohit ji suggested share Spoken English Institute. Now Mohit ji dekhiye, only 590 participants are searching for English Spoken Institute. Are you getting my point? So two important things that you have to keep in mind. One, you should add the relevant keywords and you should able to identify the relevant keyword. If you are able to do this thing, it may happen that your pages may start coming on the top of the search result and you directly get the business. Not many educators are aware of this thing. Hardly I get, means after 500 participants, hardly 2 or 3 participants might have known about this science of Google business page before attending the classes. And this is because what is happening, directly you are getting the result. Immediately once your pages start coming on the top, you start getting the result. Right, everyone? Immediate business. If you are offering a product of 8,000 rupees, even if you are getting 3-4 customers every month, over here it's a revenue of 30,000 rupees, right? And how much effort? So these are the 2 steps that I have taught you on Google business page, but definitely there are 8-9 other steps are also there which you have to follow so that your pages are coming on the top of the search result. And as I told you, it does not require any investment. So free of charge, आपका institute on भी हो जाएगा and you may start getting result as well. Right, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so so this is very important. Online presence is very important. So in this training program, we understand which all different online presence that as an educator, as a coaching environment, you should have, and how to get your pages on the top of the search results are the part of these online presence sessions. And I will take you through some of the feedback of the participants, right? You will. So we have got so many participants, those who have given so much excellent feedback on the same. Before I will take you to the next part. Is voices audible to you?
And I was delighted because I've already burnt my lot of money and fingers in digital marketing, and because I would always realize that most of the people have half knowledge and many of them are not even sincere. So it was like very saddening. And then your course came along, and so somehow the way it was projected, the way it was pitched was very convincing. So I realized that if these guys know how to market themselves, they will definitely give me some idea about marketing. So that, and I was not wrong. So, and you come across as a very humble and very nice guy. I mean, so the connect was there from day one. You were wanting to give whatever you knew. I mean, that was the best part. So, and of course, your knowledge is very deep and more importantly, very practical. And because the support was very genuine, the knowledge that you imparted was very genuine, because you were not teaching as a marketer, you were teaching as a teacher, which is what I love. Because you don't have any vested interest when you are sharing your knowledge, because you know that at the end of the day, you want us to be aware of all the tricks of digital marketing. So in particular, the Google class, I mean, I use that business, Google business, whatever strategies and tips that you gave, then I used it. And now I see that my website ranking is quite up. I mean, it's the top 3 now. So which is what something was very heartening.
Right. So many educators have got benefited, their pages started coming within the training program, and so many small things are available for everyone, right? Sometimes we assume that digital marketing is completely costly. You have to spend a huge amount. May not, definitely you have to spend amount, but may not be a huge amount, and sometimes may not be any amount. But you should know the right practices and tools which can work for you, right, everyone? So now after this, a very important point is again on research and competitive analysis, right? So again, this is a very important point, and this many people don't do it. Many people don't get into the research, don't understand what market is looking for, what my competitors are doing. Very important to understand what your competitors are doing. And again, when I'm talking about the competitors, may not be the next competitor which is there in the next building, right? It can be any competitor who is offering services like me in other town as well. For example, if I'm running a school in, for example, I'm running a school in Chennai, it does not mean that I have to learn somebody who is running a school next to me only. I can even learn anything from a school which is running there in Bangalore as well. I have to learn their best good practices, and we have to understand what I can use. So many marketing tools or research tools are available, again free of charge, which you will able to use to understand what your competitors are doing, what campaigns are working for them, which Facebook posts are working for them, and how you can learn from their experiences. Right, everyone? So this we cover in research and competitive analysis. And okay. Now website. So website is a very important part. Everyone over here, do you have a website, or do you are planning to create a website? Participants, yes or no? Right, planning to start, right? Yes. Anyone already have a website? Okay, so I can see most of the participants does not have the website, and many participants are planning to start, right? And so here, if you're planning, if you already have a website, we'll be learning how your website can come on top of the Google search result. If somebody is looking for courses that you're offering, your website should come on the top. If your website is not coming, then what is the sense of having the website only? Right, everyone? Part number one. If you don't have a website, here we'll be learning two websites from our side. One is you'll be learning a Google site. Google site is completely free for all the educators. You will able to create a very good professional website without paying anything, right? Largely, whenever we start talking about the Google site, and whenever you're going to meet anyone, they will tell you, okay, site means 15,000 rupees kharcha, 20,000 rupiah, 35,000 rupee. So, but on Google site, you don't have to spend a single amount, for your website is completely free of charge, right? So we'll be learning two websites, one free, one professional. So this I call it free website, a good website for all the educators, like this, right? You will be having all the activities connected by the department. You will be able to sell courses that you're offering. You can have success stories of your students. You can have a registration form. I'm just putting everyone on the mute mode. So you can have the registration in case you're organizing any kind of webinar, seminar. People can come and register for your demo classes, something like this. All faculty member details, right? And the best part of using this website, even you're able to share the learning resources. You will able to share your learning resources to your student also using this website, and even the videos. So this website is going to be completely free for you. You don't have to spend. Only when you have to spend. For example, as of now, this site is named by the name of sites.google.com/science department. So in case if you want to have this website directly on your name without science department, like this one. So this is the site, just one of the participants in my previous class prepared. So this is the website they have created, like this one, right? And for coding, robotics, they were offering. So this is the website that they have for registration. And in case if you need a domain like this, then only thing that you have to spend nearly about 500 to 800 rupees per year to buy the domain, right, everyone? So this is the way you can have a website. And the second website that you will be learning over here, in that, so second website, or those who already have a website, they will be learning how to create the landing pages, right? So the website here, I'll be taking you to the professional website as well. And this professional website will be creating on Zoho platform, right? This Zoho platform is trusted by nearly about 75 million customers globally. And this is India's largest product company. Product company means those who are selling product. Product means, for example, the number one company in the world in terms of product is Salesforce.com. They have wide range of products are available. Coming back to India, this is Zoho.com. And the best part of Zoho versus Salesforce apps are very costly, right? You can say 5 to 8 times, and Zoho apps are very reasonably priced for everyone. And many such solutions are available on Zoho. So we'll be learning how to create a professional website using a Zoho sites, and you know how much amount you have to spend. So let me first of all give the example. So this is a professional website, I mean to say. right? So you will able to learn this website completely on your own, right? Without depending upon any of the developer, right? So this is a website. You can have your courses details over there. About us, contact us, right? So all the details are there. And you know how much amount you have to spend for this website? Anyone? Any wild guess? The expenses are going to be 160 rupees per month, right? So 160 rupees per month means 5 rupees per day. That is the cost, including hosting and everything, right, everyone? And let me show you how it is easy to add a content over here. For example, I have this page, right? And right, I want to add, just 1 minute. And I want to add over here another this kind of 3 images I want to add over here, right? So I just go to plus sign section. In here, this is like a PPT. So many options are available. For example, I need 4 images. Just select this one. That is there. Can you see? Now what we have to do? We just have to change the images like this one. You just click onto it and change image, right, everyone? So again, you will able to create your own website, right? In case if you don't have it, and in case you already have a website, then you will able to learn how to create marketing landing pages for your marketing campaign, right, everyone? After this, I will move to other part. So we have already learned about the website ranking. Another thing which is very important, which is going to be a good takeaway for you, is the communication. Communication means very important to design the communication as per the design size. So you know, like which image is looking better over here, 1 or 2. Somebody may go with 1, somebody may go with 2. But as per the design science, the image number 2 is more professional. And what will happen if you are designing the image as per the design science? For example, if you are spending 100 rupees over here, if you are getting 5 clicks, here you will be getting 30 clicks. That is the importance of right design, right, everyone? And largely people are not aware of the design. Basic design concepts are there that we are not aware of. So what I told you, these design concepts, right? You may, so you're running same campaign. One, here you will be getting 100 rupees, you'll be spending. Here also you'll be spending 100 rupees. Here you'll be getting 30 clicks. Here you'll be getting 5 clicks. So what is the reason behind it? The reason behind it, the model, the second image has been designed as the AIDA model. The AIDA model is, the full form is attention, interest, desire, and action. The first part of your website of your communication, what should do? It should grab the attention. The second, it should create the interest. The third part, desire, means it should move from I like it to I want it. And finally, the action means they should able to click somewhere. Let me give the example. Now this was a bit theoretical. Now this is the right example. This is an image. The first part is doing attention. Are you a class 10 student? Yes. Are you targeting NEET and G? This is grabbing my, now this is increasing my interest. Now increasing the interest. Okay. Then increasing my desire from I want to it, I like it to I want it by getting 100% scholarship. And finally, AIDA, action, register today for free. So does not mean that all the images we have to design in 4 layers only. Even in a single image, the first image was good. Why? Because attention point was very much clear, which was financial modeling, interest and desire by the core skills for finance career. And this was the action point. All right, everyone. So in every professional design, you will find this kind of principles have been adopted. That is why you will spend, or your post will be visible to, if you're posting anything on Instagram, your post will get only 5 views, and somebody else post may get 50 views. So it is all because are we designing our post based on the design science or not? So not many complicated principles are there. This was one of the principles. Similarly, other 9 to 10 principles are there. If you practice it, and I'm sure you will able to design very professional images for your communication which you are posting on Facebook, Instagram, or for your paid marketing campaign as well. So again, we'll be covering all the part of design, including the design science and how to design the communication and which kind of communications are very good in education business. Similarly, you will be learning about, these were some examples. Similarly, you will be learning about the videos, how to design the videos, different kind of video formats. So all those things are going to be the part of the session. After this, you will be understanding social media organic, means how you can use social media organically, means free of charge to increase your business. And again, you'll be learning how to get 5x followers, which are the simple tricks that you can adopt to increase your followers, relevant followers I'm talking about, and which are the different popular social media accounts are there in schools, colleges, coaching center, which you from where you can learn different types of posts which are most common in education sector, which is giving the very good result, right? Identify the posts we can super engage your audience. So everything related to free marketing on social media is part of social media marketing, and everything which is a part of paid marketing is a part of paid campaign. So in paid campaign, you'll be learning, for example, if you're an established institute, what kind of campaign you should run. If you're launching a new course, what kind of campaign you should run. If you have got excellent counselors, then what kind of campaign you should learn. And if you have got excellent speakers, what sort of campaign you learn. So that for every, based on the strength of your education institute, you have to design your campaign. Right, everyone? So again, you'll be learning all about the ads and everything. So again, you'll be learning about how to optimize the ads, how to reduce the cost of your campaign by designing the communications. Everything is a part of this one. So I can just now quickly, I'll since only 10 minutes are left, so I'll go through the entire presentation now. Google Ads, again, you'll be learning about the Google search ads, how to create Google search ads. Google Analytics. Google Analytics means, Google Analytics is, what does Google Analytics do? Anyone? Any idea? Google Analytics provide the information related to your website, right? How many people are coming to your website, from which part of the city they are coming, how much time they are spending on your website, from which devices they are coming to your website. Everything will be available on Google Analytics, and what keyword they are typing before they are coming to your website. So you will have good idea about what people are doing before they are coming to your website and after they are coming to your website. Again, you will be able to use analysis using Excel sheet, and you will be learning about the CRM part. CRM is the backbone of new age digital marketing. So, but CRM is recommended not for everyone. Only if you are getting 150 to 200 leads, then only you should understand CRM. Otherwise, don't get into CRM as of now, right? But we'll be right. This is a customer relationship management software, okay, right? So all my leads, everything, every automation, every email, everything is being organized within using CRM. Whom to contact, when to set the task, right? And when to call a particular participants, everything is managed with the help of CRM. Then email marketing. Email marketing is kind of, if you are planning to use email marketing for lead generation, it is dead. Email marketing is nowadays nobody is using for lead generation. Why? Why people are not using it for lead generation? Because that is called spamming. If you are sending emails to people whom they have not contacted you, and if you are sending them the emails, that is called spamming. Even Google may blacklist your website as well. So don't send email to people, those who have not visited to your website and those who have not filled up your website form. Then how you want to use it, email marketing? Again, we'll be learning it. You have to use email marketing for the engagement, not for the lead generation. Again, we'll be learning about the database marketing. So in case you have got the database, don't send them the WhatsApp messages, don't send the email. Why? Because even WhatsApp messages will get spam. So again, but there are ways you can use database market in your Instagram and in your Facebook. Then again, certain artificial intelligence apps are coming, right? Artificial intelligence, what they will do, for example, you are developing a website. Now you have to develop the content as well. Don't outsource the content development work to anyone else whom you does not know, whom you can't trust. Why? Because largely people will copy paste the content from other website and give it to you. And if somebody is copying pasting the content from other website and giving it to you, Google will blacklist your website. Right, everyone? Now apps are coming by which automatically you'll be able to create a content completely free of charge. So you don't have to worry about creation of content as well. And after these all tools we were covering in our master class, in our core classes, 5 weeks training program. After 5 weeks training program, we are offering some advanced master classes as well. master classes are going to be there in Instagram marketing. If you want to have lots of followers, if you want to drive your marketing with Instagram, this is the place. YouTube marketing, how to use YouTube for your marketing purpose. Then again, an advanced class for advanced workshop, you can say advanced Facebook masterclass, advanced Google Ads masterclass, WhatsApp marketing masterclass, and how to develop a website on WordPress. Generally, I don't recommend to develop a website on WordPress, but even if you want to learn it, that will be available on masterclass. Then LinkedIn masterclass and marketing psychology in digital age. Those are the points that we'll be covering in the master classes. So 8 such master classes will be available to you after 5 weeks of training program. And basically, this is the training program details. We offer 5 weeks instructor-led live training program, and largely trainer will ensure that all your doubts are solved before you leave the session. 10 assignments you'll be getting curated study material, pre-classroom videos, regular doubt solving sessions are going to be there, and you'll be getting a certification from upEducators. And the next batch we are launching 30th June, and the price is so timing is 8:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. And again, recordings of each of the session will be available to you for next 6 months. So you will be going, you can go through the recordings in case you are missing any of the session, you will be getting the recording. And master classes, we are charging 3,000 rupees extra, so put together is 11,000 rupees. But if you're enrolling for this June month, then you don't have to pay the fees for this master class. So your fees is only going to be 8,000 rupees. And here are the contact details. And this is the certification that you'll be getting. upEducators along with Google for Education partner. This is the certification that you'll be getting from our side. And in case if you want to go for other certifications are available, which you will become capable of writing the exam without preparing anything, because 80 to 90% of the syllabus we are going to cover over here. So in case if you want to become a fundamental of digital marketing certificate from Google, if you want to write the exam, you can write it, and that too exam is also completely free. Right, everyone? Now what I'll do, I will take all of you to our website as well. So this is a website that we have, upeducators.com, and other courses that we are offering are called Google Certified Educator course, Digital Marketing course for educators, Microsoft Certified Educator course, and Coding for educators. Largely all the programs are there for the educators. We have trained nearly about 3,000 educators from 1,000 schools, colleges, and the education institutes. These are a partnership from Microsoft and Google. And what I'll do, I request everyone to go through this digital marketing part as well. Digital marketing for educators. Over there, you will find 100 reviews from different coaching owners, private tutors, and school admins on this training program. So if you go down, video reviews, if you click onto it, right? So here you will see all the video reviews by all the, and you can see their designation, everything, and you will see how these programs means how they got benefited from this course, right, everyone? And in case you want to go through the Google reviews, so nearly about 450 educators has given us 4.9 out of 5 rating, like this. Right, everyone? So before I open the session for queries, I just open the, so in case if you want to know more about the course, please select yes and no over there. There is a chat box available to you, yes and no. Requesting everyone, I think most of the participants have given the feedback, only a couple of participants are there, requesting everyone to give the feedback. So everyone, right, as I told you, digital marketing is not very tough. And if you follow particular practice, and definitely I'm not showing you will become expert and rock star in digital marketing after this 5 weeks or eight master classes. You have to practice, but you will go to a next level, that I can assure you, right? And you will able to create very good professional videos. You'll able to create excellent, you'll able to run campaign. You'll able to have excellent Instagram page, Facebook page, and Google business page. So many tools that you will be learn, and even trust me, many of the tools you'll be learning completely free of charge. So you don't have to invest anything for design a video, to design an image, everything, all the tools. Largely, we are recommending free tools and tools which are available at very minimum cost. Like for example, I've given you the example of Zoho sites. It's 160 rupees per month. I can assure you, you won't get any option of creating a website with 160 rupees per month. And even we'll be teaching you how to create a free website as well, right? So everywhere we have kept that thing also in mind. Free also you can use lots of resources, and in paid, in case you have to pay, you have to pay it smartly so that you get return out of it, right, everyone? And as I told you, digital marketing is becoming very important, and the way technology is moving, 5G now already auctions are started up for 5G. Technology will go to the next level in 5G, right? So if you start learning it with this systematic process, trust me, it is going to be a skill sets, not for 1 year or 6 months. It is going to be a lifelong skill sets. Whether you learn it from our side or from anywhere, completely up to you. But learning a digital marketing fundamentally with the right process is very important for professional growth, your own professional growth, as well as the growth of your institute. Right, everyone? So that's all from my side. And definitely you can learn it digital marketing from YouTube also. Free videos as well are there. But largely what happened, in case if you have any queries are there, nobody is there to help you out. And many videos are available. Sometimes you get confused which video to see for which problem, right? But again, you can learn from YouTube as well, nothing like that. But it's a very important skill set for overall professional growth, right? Right, everyone? So I think that's all from my side. Let me see whether I'm missing any point. Yes, I have covered all the point. Yes, Evan. Now I can take the queries from the participants. Yes, everyone. Any query? No? Okay. So I'll just wait for another.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I want to know about the use of the Facebook page tools and others social media page. And for this course, how much I expense?
सर देखिए, फेसबुक पेज बनाने का तो कोई कॉस्ट होता ही नहीं है सर. दैट एनीवे यू विल एबल टू डू कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ चार्ज, राइट? एंड इवन इन इंस्टाग्राम, अगर आपके ये पेजेस होते हैं तो जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आपके जो स्टूडेंट्स बनने वाले हैं, ये जो स्टूडेंट्स आपके पास ऑलरेडी एनरोल्ड है, दे कैन स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग योर पेजेस. तो हमारा जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है ना, वो बहुत जल्दी वाइडली सर्कुलेट होता है, राइट? इफ यू आर like for example on our Facebook page we have nearly about 50,000 followers are there. On our Instagram nearly about 11,000 followers are there. So it becomes very easy to circulate the message, right? And it creates lots of branding point as well. So again, as I told you, to create a Facebook page and to create an Instagram page and to post on it, there is no amount you have to invest. It's completely free. I think Jagruti Patel madam, she has asked me the question for Google Ad, which site we run. Google Ad means if you are running Google Ad, then Google Ad you can run either on Google site or Zoho site, completely up to you, or whatever site that you have, you will able to learn it, right? So Zoho site is a recommended point that we'll be teaching, but in case if you already have it, it's okay. Definitely you need to have a laptop, right? Because digital marketing on mobile not possible. Some of the things you may able to, some of the things you may able to operate on mobile, but largely for many of the things you need a laptop or a desktop.
Yeah, hello,
yes.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, I just want to know whether the websites developed using Google sites,
right?
Can those websites be commercial?
Commercial means I given the example ki even you can sell the courses on those.
Okay, and what about the domain name?
Yes. You just for domain name, so you have to purchase the domain name by paying 800 rupees per year.
That's all.
That's all.
And space? What about space?
So it's 15 GB. Like you can say, 15 GB is more than sufficient.
Okay, that means the expenses are 800 for the domain name per year.
That's it, per year. That's it.
And will I be able to get my brand name like www.
Yes.
Okay, thank you,
Sir,
sir.
it is only for the education system or for anything?
For largely, we'll be taking the example from education, but you can use Google site for your parlor business, for your cooking business, for anything as well.
Okay. Sir, is there any other app required to get downloaded on PC or on laptop for this, or only the whatever you have taught, like whatever you told, that is enough?
You need only a laptop, internet connection, and Chrome. So during the training program, I will let you know what kind of apps you have to download, and those apps are not very heavy. It takes lots of time. Within 5 minutes, you'll be able to download those apps.
Thank you, sir.
So I think Meghna's Jain, there's a query. I want to run spoken English classes about, and I don't have knowledge how to do it online and how you're instituting. Yes, ma'am. So that training program is there for this thing only. I've given the example, your own example only, right? How if somebody is searching for English classes, your online presence should be there on the top, and immediately you may start getting the result, right? So entire training program, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, everything will help you to grow your business, right? So we have all the examples which are relevant for the growth of your business. So hardware requirement is nothing. Your laptop should be a working laptop and should not be very slow. That's the only thing that you have to keep in mind. i3 laptop hoga, is more recommended. i3, anything above i3 and i3 above. Anything else? Any queries from the participants before I end the session? So you can go through our website as well, upEducators.com. You can go through digital marketing course over there.
Sir,
Right?
is recording available for today's session?
I just have to check, but we can provide the recording. I have to download it, right?
Because I missed first half an hour of this session.
Okay. So I will be sending the recording, but possibly by afternoon only.
No problem. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes. Anything else?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to become an expert person in using the tools of Facebook or Instagram and others ads website. And then can I take the course from you in short time?
मतलब come again, sir. आपको expert बनना है, right, sir?
Yeah, in using the tools, Facebook or Instagram tools and others at website tools, Google's and others
Right.
also.
So वही है पूरा कोर्स में वही हम कवर कर रहे हैं ना सर कि आप वेबसाइट कैसे बनाना सीखेंगे, how you are going to learn Facebook ads, Instagram ad, how to create Instagram account, Facebook account, and other social media accounts. So in that training program will help you to learn that part.
Yeah, I have some knowledge about the Facebook marketing and then Instagram also, but I am not fulfilled. I'm incomplete now.
So it's okay. So then training program will help you to complete that part.
Okay, sir. I will check in your website.
Yes.
Hello.
Okay, yes, Manav.
Yes, sir, I would like to know. Sir, I would like to know whether this program is for the beginners or for the intermediaries.
So largely what we have done, we for the beginners, before the start of the session, we send them some pre-recorded videos as well, right? So
Right, sir.
they understand, okay, what I'm talking about, the search engine optimization, right? And then we take everyone along, right? So for beginners, we'll be sending some pre-course material videos to them so that they understand before they come, okay, what is Facebook, what is search engine optimization. So we have created 10-15 minutes video for everyone, right? So you become comfortable in the class, right? Because in the class, some of the participants may be aware of this one. So you become comfortable before if you're going through those videos and coming to the class, you're comfortable with the topic.
And so we will be covering all the major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube.
Yes.
Etc.
Yes.
I hope.
Yes. I have already listed down all those things. Okay, what all things that will be covering.
How long will be the classes, sir? Like the duration and the timing?
5 weeks are going to be the classes.
5
right?
weeks.
5 weeks, not every day, every alternate day. And after this completion, this 5 weeks, they are going to be master classes. So master class will start after this 5 weeks, and master classes are going to be 1 or 2 master class every month for next 6 months.
So the total cost will be for 7 months, 8 months.
Right. You can say.
And every day the classes, matlab, the duration of classes will be?
मैडम 1.5 घंटे का रहेगा, 1.5
Okay.
hours, 8:30 to 10 PM, बिकॉज उससे ज्यादा कैपेसिटी नहीं होता है सबका हैंडल करने का.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, everyone. So, shall I take leave, everyone? So I hope all of
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.